Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've just had a parcel come from Born Pretty and we are going to be taking a look at their new neon solid extension gels. So they've kindly sent all 5 colours for us to take a look at. Dying to see what these look like. So I'm just going to get them all unpacked and then we'll take a look at them. So I love how they come sealed and boxed. So with these non-stick hand extension nail gels, you get 15ml, and these are all the colours of the Luminous collection. So let's just put them in order. We've got 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. There we go. So yeah, today I think I'm just going to give them a little swatch and we're going to take a look at the colours. We're going to see how opaque they are, what they like to work. And then I really want to try doing a neon baby boomer or a neon baby boomer or like a blend with this solid extension gel, because I've never seen anyone try and blend it before. And I've used this stuff quite a lot now. And I'm feeling confident that I could probably blend it. So, yeah, today we're just going to give them a swatch. And then later on in the week, I'm going to do a video trying to do a baby boomer with them on my nails. So, wish me luck with that. And you'll know if the video never does come out, you'll know that it didn't go to plan and I deleted the footage. So, let's give them a swatch and take a look at them, shall we? So they come foil sealed. Oh wow, look at that colour. Oh, they look so pretty. I'm just going to pull a bit out with my cuticle pusher. Look at that colour, guys. That is beautiful. I'm so happy that the sun's now come out and it's time to get our neon colours out. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds and we'll see what it cures like. So this one is NSG 24. Ooh, look at that orange. That is so much brighter than my camera's doing it justice, you know. A lot brighter than that. It's beautiful. Give that one a cure. This one is NSG 25. Ooh, look at that green. That is so bright. Love that. So this one's NSG 26. I think this one's definitely my favourite. Oh, wow, guys. These are just so pigmented, you know. I'm saying about doing a baby boomer with them, I might struggle. Unless if I bring the cover colour over these, I might have to do it that way because they are really really pigmented. And then this one is NSG 27. I really like that. It's bright, but it's still kind of got a milky look to it. Yeah, I like it. I really like that. So give that one a cure. And that is them all swatch, guys. Look at those colours. They're so bright. And I wasn't expecting them to be that pigmented either. They are really, really opaque. I'm actually really excited now to see if I can do a baby boomer with them. Dying to try that. So I'm definitely going to get that done and recorded this week, guys. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. So who is now ready to see them glowing in the dark? Right, let me get all my lights out and we'll take a look at them, shall we? So I'm just going to pop them in the lamp, give them a little bit of a charge. Look at those glow. Hoo-hoo. That pink one's not as bright as the others, but it's still glowing. It just doesn't look that bright compared to the others. Oh, wow, they are so smart, aren't they? I kind of had an idea that they was going to glow really well because of the glow-in-the-dark gel polishes was so good. I like some. Let me just try and give that pink another charge. Yeah, see the pink's glowing. Can you see? The pink is glowing. It's just not as bright as the others. I really, really like them. Definitely going to get a set done with them this week on myself. Right, let's get some lights back on if I can see what I'm doing. So that is them all swatched. Remember, I've also got a 10% off discount code for Born Pretty, guys. If anyone wants to place an order, don't forget to use that at checkout. I want to say a huge thank you to Born Pretty for sending me all of these beautiful colours. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.